Current affairs today. Recently, who has become the 78th President of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer: Denise Francis. Which university has secured the first position in Khelo India University Games 2022 recently? Answer: Punjab University. Which Indian player has won the gold medal in the Under-20 Asian Athletics Championship? Answer: Siddharth Chaudhary. President Draupadi Murmu has recently been conferred with the highest civilian award of which country? Answer: Suriname. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2023? Answer: Ecosystem restoration. Where is the world's largest environmental protection conference going to be held in 2025? Answer: United Arab Emirates.